Okay, while we wait, we start the Omkar chanting. Try to deep breathe in each time and long Omkar chanting for next couple of minutes. We'll start at 7. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's keep the eyes closed, join the hands at the back of the body. You can interlock the fingers, bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth, raise both hands up towards the ceiling. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Generate urja, make them warm. Place warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark. Slowly slide the hands down over the face, gently open the eyes. And let's do some light exercise. As we inhale, raise both hands up, stretch the upper body upward. Exhale, twist the upper body to the one side, look back, align chin with the shoulder, keep pushing the knee forward. Feel the twist, feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Try to keep trunk vertical, back completely straight. We are just twisting the upper body. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time. Back to center and complete onto the second side. Okay, and let's stand up. Separate feet 4 to 5 feet apart. Extend both hands sideways. Deep inhale. As we deep exhale, bend sideways. Keep looking up through the one palm. One hand will go towards the floor. Inhale, back to center. Slowly transition to the second side. Do not jerk the body. The smooth transition in between the sides. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time. Try to do a little bit further. Back to center and complete onto the second side. Come back. Next, separate the feet at the farthest. Extend both hands sideways in a star position. Deep inhale. As you deep exhale, grab the big toe with opposite side hand. Other hand will go 90-degree up. Look up into the ceiling through the palm. Inhale, back to star. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, back to star. One more time, both sides. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back. Bring both hands at the waist. We will do Kati Chakrasana, waist rotation. Deep inhale. As we exhale, twist the upper body to the one side, look back. Try to push the hips back to the center. We are not moving the legs, hips, just waist and above. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, back to center. Do with full awareness. One more time. You can feel some very good stretches at the lower back. Back to center and complete onto the second side. Come back. Bring both hands a little bit further back. Thumbs on the sacrum. Deep inhale, arch backward. We can push thumbs onto the sacrum. We can circle them. Exhale, come back, straighten the trunk. Inhale again. Exhale, bend forward and down. Use little force to push head and trunk as low as possible. Keeping the knees straight. Inhale, come back. And let's move in front of the mat. Start the music, mantra. Let's follow the beats. Roll the shoulders back and down and begin.
भास्कराय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः।
Good morning. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Jai Shri Krishna. Let's shake up the feet, thigh, hands, leg, the whole body to increase energy, increase the activities within the body, more heartbeat, more pulse, more blood circulations, more vibrations. You can add some yogic jogging steps, whichever way you want. And lay down in Shavasana. Complete relax, full rest. Close the eyes, deep inhale, deep exhale few times, and let the breath become completely normal, natural. Let all the body parts, joints, muscles be on their own, on the gravity. Should be completely relaxed. Feel the body weight and notice how our body weight transfer to the floor. We will scan the body internally, moving the awareness body part by body part, from head to toes, toes to the head. At each body part, we will try to acknowledge, recognize any kind of vibrations, sensations, relaxation, blood circulation, heartbeat, pulse, anything, everything for 3 full minutes to make the trip. And starting now. 10 more seconds to bring the awareness back to the head. Bring feet together, squeeze and release the toes or wiggle them. Move them onto side by side. Turn the head also onto both the sides. And give body a big stretch. Push all the toes together forward. Bring hands together, push them into opposite direction. Feel the full stretch, 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 and relax. Bring both hands sideways, palms facing down, elbows straight, fold at the knees. Deep inhale, as we deep exhale, drop both knees together on the floor towards left, turn the head towards right, push the palms in the floor so we can have better twist, better stretches at the spine. Keep the eyes closed till the end of the session. Inhale back to center, exhale to the second side, knees on the floor towards right, head towards left, push the palms in the floor, feel the twist. Inhale back to center. Now lift the feet a little bit up away from the floor. Exhale, drop the folded legs towards left, turn the head towards right. Inhale back to center, legs towards right. Exhale, head towards left for a few seconds. And bring the entire body towards right. Stay on right for a couple more breaths in and out. And with help of the elbows and palms, very gently bring the body into any sitting posture. We will do Anulom Vilom Pranayam for a minute. Make a Vishnu Mudra on right hand using right thumb tip, right ring fingertip to block, unblock the nostrils. So inhale on left, then exhale on right, then inhale on right and exhale on left. So left to right, right to left. Try to do deep breathe in, deep breathe out. And complete the round when we breathe out on left. Once you're done, then bring both hands into Dhyan Mudra. Relax shoulders, relax back. Keep the back straight. Deep inhale and we will chant one long Omkar. Feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palms against each other. Apply a little bit extra pressure on the palms. Generate more urja. Make them more warm. Place the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark under the palms to let the urja enter into the eyes. Move the bottom of the palms over the eyes, fingers cross over the forehead. Gently massage the eyelids. Spread the fingers apart, slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head, back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, or any problem part within the body. Spread energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Happy Wednesday. बुधवार का दिन शुभ मंगल हो. See you all tonight at yoga session at 6 p.m. EST. I'm going to let you all unmute અને 11/11 means veteran day ના દિવસે નવેમ્બર 11 સવારના આપણું સેશન સેમ ટાઈમે સ્ટાર્ટ થશે. થોડું લાંબુ ચાલશે રેગ્યુલર કરતા કારણ કે આપણે 40 સૂર્ય નમસ્કાર કરીશું વેટરન ડે ના દિવસે. અને આપણે વાત થઈ હતી પ્રમાણે યોગાનું પેલું ટી શર્ટ હોય જેની પાસે યોગા ડે નું તો એ પહેરજો. આ વર્ષનું યોગા ડે નું હોય તો એ ન હોય તો એના પહેલાના વર્ષનું હોય કોઈ પણ એ અથવા તો એની white. All right, I will put in a note and try to bring more and more people that day. We're going to make a big announcement. All right, you all are unmute. All your turn.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna
Jai Shri
Bhai.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you, Bakul Bhai.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Bakul Bhai.
Have a nice day.
Daksha, welcome back after a long time. Daksha Patel, not Daksha H.
She's always there.
And, but another Daksha is here. So
Yeah, I can see her. Keમ છો દક્ષાબેન?
Hello.